a watch just got issued and it's close to Oklahoma City, so I'm expecting this thing to issue something about it. It was issued just 2 minutes ago, so I'm expecting something out of it. I think it should be after the hazardous weather outlook. So here we go.
/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 286, effective until...
Oh, now you do it!
Watch includes the following...
Thank you so much.
Oklahoma. Remember, a severe...
Yeah, that's 286.
Conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know...
Gosh, why was that so delayed?
...and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area.
Holy crap, look at this.
Mostly cloudy until midnight.
That is like really big in the Texas part.
Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Areas of fog after midnight.
Why was that tone so freaking late? Jeez. Also, by the way, in case you didn't know, that I completely rearranged my room. I'm planning on putting a table here for any other future weather radios like that one over there. Yeah. It's 8:42. The rain is really starting to pick up right now. Oh boy. Oh boy. That is some heavy rain. Like, it literally like just started. It's like coming from that rain cloud. Oh boy. I do not want this thing to get any water damage. Whew. That sure is a lot of rain. Nothing yet except a severe thunderstorm warning way over here in Oklahoma. Way out there. Oh boy. Well, look at that though. There's quite a few storms over there in Oklahoma City. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. This is destructive. Oh shoot, okay. I did not realize that. Oh my gosh, that hail. Okay, dude, what the frick? I did not notice this before. Holy crap, that hail size is crazy. What size is that? It's like tennis ball? This is the first destructive thing I've ever seen before. Dude, oh my gosh. You have got to be kidding me. Destructive. I know that's like nowhere near me, but like, dude, destructive. What in the world? 70 miles per hour wind gusts. What in the world was I doing when I just like went through this? I thought it wasn't gonna be that bad. I mean, no wonder. Look at this right here. Gosh. Gosh, dang, man, dude.